Alright everybody, welcome back to another one. In this video, we're checking out stamps.com mobile app. We're going to be on an iPad. This is available mobile on iOS and Android. The app is pretty much the same. We're going to cover several of the most common features and compare it to the website. So if you don't have it already, go ahead and download it. I'm going to go ahead and open it since I do. Once the app opens, it loads your history. So we'll check that out real quick. You can click on your previous orders and check the status. You cannot reprint the label from the history, which is the same as the website. You can, however, do it once you purchase it. If you have to print it twice, it does allow that. So right here is showing all the same information you can find on the desktop. And you can even hit refund to get your information. You can even hit refund to get your money back. Or there's a copy icon to copy the tracking and send it off or paste it in your records. So we'll go back into the main page. We'll start with the 3-line menu icon. From here, you can see your balance. We'll click on the balance. And on this page, you can reload and add funds. We'll go back. And then next thing down is the store. From the store menu, you're familiar with it. You can purchase labels, you can purchase scale, and other shipping supplies. So all that's here as well. And this is also where you're going to sign out if you need to. If you want to sync it up with your contacts to make filling out the address forms a little faster, it has that option. And then let's go ahead and create a label. So we don't use net stamps, and I'm going to do a box, so I don't want envelopes. So I'm going to click shipping label. I got the ship from. I'm just throwing an address. And you may have noticed that my from address is already loaded because that's my default, and that's another feature of the app. You don't have to update it every time. So next, we'll go ahead and do the package details. I always ship my own package, but you can see you can do carrier or show all. So we'll click my package, and I'll put the details in for that. It'll be 2 pounds, and it'll be 6, 4, 2, and then you get to pick your. And then you'll be able to pick your service. We'll go ahead and pick the cheapest. Save. And then there you are. So it does actually open up if you want to know more about the different options. You see the details there. It tells you that it comes with free pickup Saturday and the tracking, so you don't have to pay extra for that. This is actually useful because if you're looking for the cheapest option, oftentimes the cheapest option does not come with the tracking number. And it's nice that it puts it in order by cost, so you can decide who's the cheapest at a glance. That is actually something I wish the desktop version had. All right, so if you want to add any other details, one option I'm not seeing on here is to add a reference. Usually that's down here, and that's something I use all the time, so not seeing that is a disappointment for me. But anyways, we'll go ahead and continue, and then you can download or print, or you can do a QR code and scan it when you get to the post office. Has all the same information here. So we'll go back, and just out of curiosity, let's look at if you're using their packaging. So let's see, we're going to do a flat rate box. All you have to do is the weight. And since it's a flat rate box, it's only giving you that option for a flat rate box. So this, while I have you, I want to talk about, there's a lot of videos where people are doing hacks and stuff and using the free packaging from the post office. That's great. You can use it as free packaging. But if you change the dimensions, do not click that it's a small flat rate box or medium or whatever, because that throws the system off, and in the end, it raises the cost for everyone. So we'll go back here. I think that covers everything for this video. If you guys have any questions, I'm always in the comments, and I'm happy to help. I'm going to link the website walkthrough for the app and how to get it installed in the description. And as always, thanks for your likes, comments, and subscribes. Do check out the link and coupon code in the description for our website, and we'll see you in the next one.